How is a wife supposed to reply back to her husband during arguments? Or is she supposed to talk in a respectful manner even when she's angry? First of all, marriage is not based on calculations, 1 + 1 = 2. It is a combination of feelings, emotions, circumstances, and traumas and previous experiences and future experiences and the likes. Hence, it's not one size that fits all. And it would be illogical to ask a woman to be as submissive as a slave to her husband. Because as we see, and I encounter this a lot in counseling sessions, men are not perfect, infallible individuals. They have their flaws, they have their shortcomings. So why would you expect your wife to be someone who's perfect when you're not? It doesn't make any sense. And besides, arguments, fights, bickering, sometimes they're needed in a marriage as we need salt and pepper and spices. So we can't ask a woman to suppress her feelings and to hold back and not to sometimes explode or express her emotions when her husband is frequently doing the same mistake and not fulfilling her rights. Having said that, we at the same time do not encourage women to be rebellious or disrespectful, because respect between the spouses, from the wife and from the husband, is an essential element of a successful marriage. The moment respect is absent, then inevitably separation and divorce will take place sooner or later. We can't live with people that don't respect us. Yes, I can tolerate one incident, couple of incidents here and there, but when this is a consistent behavior of disrespecting, being ungrateful, nagging and complaining and criticizing 24/7, this is not a life. And when a man is so controlling that the woman cannot breathe, you don't go to your family, you don't see your friends, nobody comes to our home, you're not allowed to go out, you're not allowed to have any communication on the phone, no social media. What is this? It's your mistake accepting him to treat you like this. Then don't complain. But life is not going to go on. It's a matter of time before you burst and explode. And then the inevitable is going to happen. So respect is essential. But even in the household of the Prophet himself, ﷺ, sometimes there were arguments and bickering. Sometimes there were disputes, and the wives of the Prophet ﷺ were not satisfied for one reason or the other. Definitely it's not something from the Prophet's side, it's from theirs. But regardless, the issue did exist, and there were disputes and things that would cause friction in the marriage. How the Prophet dealt with it? With respect and care and love, and Allah knows best.